Myself, Dr. Dinesh Harkut, welcome you all to this short multiple choice question based quiz. This quiz is based on a topic control unit from computer architecture. This quiz consists of 20 questions. We'll browse all those questions one by one. Question number one. The CPU is also called as options are processor hub, instruction set processor, controller, all of the mention. The answer is instruction set processor. CPU is also called as instruction set processor as it processes the instructions. Next question. What does the end instruction do? Option. It ends the generation of a signal. Option B. It ends the complete generation process. Option C. It starts a new instruction fetch cycle and reset the counter. Option D. It is used to shift the control of the processor. The right answer is it starts a new instruction fetch cycle and reset the counter. It is basically used to start the generation of new signal. Next, transparent registers are option register Y, register Z, register temp, all of the mention. Answer is all of the mention. As register Y, register Z, and temporary registers are transparent to the functional blocks used to hold temporary values. Next, the signals are grouped such that mutually exclusive signals are put together. State whether the statement is true or false. Option A true, option B false. The statement seems to be true. This is done to improve the efficiency of controller. Next, complete the sequence of micro operations required for execute cycle of the instruction BSAX. The meaning of instruction is branch and save the address. Here code is given. Within that code, one instruction is missing. Micro instruction is missing. And there are four different options. You need to identify the perfect option which will be most suitable for that missing instruction. Option A, address portion of IR is moved to MAR. Option B, PC is incremented to PC plus 1, that is next instruction. Option C, address portion of IR is moved to PC. And option D, content of memory is flushed to MBR. The answer C, that is address portion of IR is moved to PC is exact match. That is updating the value of C to point to X, that is the target address as per the instruction. Next, which register is connected to MUX? Options are register Y, register Z, register R0 or register temp. Answer is register Y. MUX can either read the operand from the Y register or increment the value of PC. Next question. Input and output of the registers are governed by options are transistors, diodes, gates, switches. The answer is switches. All the input and output of the registers are governed by switches. Next, signals enable the processor to wait for memory operation to complete. You need to identify the signal which enables the processor to wait for memory operation to complete. Options are MFC, TLB, WMFC, acknowledgement. Right answer would be WMFC. Here, the WMFC stands for Wait for Memory Function Complete. Next, when two or more clock cycles are used to complete data transfer, it is called as single phase clocking, multi-phase clocking, age trigger clocking, or none of the mention. The answer is multi-phase clocking. This is basically used in systems without age-triggered flip-flops. Next question. The general purpose registers are combined into a block called as register bank, register case, register file, register set. The right answer is register file. To make access to the register easier, we classify them into register file. Next are the different types of generating control signals. You need to identify different types. Options are microprogrammed, hardwire, micro instructions, both microprogrammed and hardwire. Right answer is microprogrammed and hardwire are the different types, rather different implementation types for generating the control signals. Next, what does the hardwire control generator consist of? Options are encoder and decoder, condition codes, control step counter, and all of the above. Right answer is option D, as hardwire control generator consists of decoder and encoder, condition code, control step counter, along with IR. These all four parts constitutes the hardwire control generator. Next, highly encoded scheme that use compact codes to specify a small number of functions in each micro instruction is. Options are horizontal organization, option B vertical organization, option C diagonal organization, option D none of the mention. Here the right answer is vertical organization. As the name suggests, vertical instructions are highly encoded and compact in nature. Next, complete the sequence of micro operations required for execute cycle of the instruction ISZX. The instruction meaning is increment and skip if 0. Here the source code is given. Typical micro instructions are mentioned and one of the micro instructions is missing. You need to identify the right micro instruction which will be suitably placed in clock cycle T3. Options are MBR plus 1 is moved to MBR, that is value of MBR is updated. PC is updated by PC plus 1. Content of PCR flushed to MAR. Content of MBR flushed to IR. The right answer is MBR plus 1 is moved to MBR, as you need to increment and then skip if the value is 0. Increment the content of MBR as instruction specifies. Next, a common strategy for performance in making various functional units operate parallelly. State whether this statement is true or false. Option is true. By parallelly accessing the data, we can have a pipeline processor which will increase the performance. Next question. PC get incremented. Option A during instruction decoding. Option B during an IR instruction get executed. Option C during the fetch cycle. Option D none of the mention. Generally, the value of PC is incremented during the fetch cycle. As ALU is idle during fetch cycle and PC always points to the next instruction to be executed, for utilizing the services of ALU to optimize the performance during fetch stage. Next question. Special memory is used to store the micro routine of a computer is control table, control store, control mart, control shop. The right answer would be control store. Control store is used as a reference to get the required control routine. Next question. Apart from instruction register and system clock signals, two more input signals are there for control unit to generate appropriate control signals. You need to identify those two inputs. Control unit requires 4 input. Two of the inputs are mentioned, that is instruction register and system clock. You need to identify remaining 2 input which are required by the control unit to generate the appropriate control signals. The answer is this flag and control signal from the control bus. That is, 4 input to the control units are control instruction register, system clock, flags, and control signal from control bus. These are the 4 signals required by the control unit to generate appropriate control signals. Next, the benefits of using hardwire approach for implementing control unit is: option, it is cost effective, it is highly efficient, it is very reliable, it increases the speed of operation. The answer would be it increases the speed of operation. Hardwire implementation is faster than microprogram implementation. The last question of the quiz: register, ALU, and the interconnecting path together are called as, options are control path, data path, flow path, none of the mentioned. The right answer would be data path. Usually used to call it as a data path. That's the end of the small quiz based on control unit. Thank you very much.